Bulletin, please stand by for important weather message. The National Weather Service in East Haven has issued a flash flood warning for North, East, and West Haven City until 10 p.m. At 8:48 p.m., local law enforcement and automated rain gauges including National Weather Service Doppler radar reported flash flooding continuing around Haven City. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. No additional rainfall is expected through 10 p.m. However, flash flooding will continue due to runoff from rain earlier this evening. Some locations that will experience flooding include Haven City. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Do not drive through these low water crossings or any other low water crossing with water flowing across the roadway. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Stay away or be swept away. Riverbanks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe.